So let's get started. So yesterday I showed you how to make money, how people are making money currently with website developed with AI. I showed you examples on Upwork. A lot of people are that I even showed you someone that has made $100 using Lovable AI alone. If you have not watched that video, I think you should go back to it and watch it. I will put the link in the description. I said I was going to shut down that particular uh, video within 23 hours, but I decided to extend it for another 10 hours because of people that uh, complained that they were doing Ramadan and today was actually very busy for them. So because of that, I'm going to extend that video for another 10 hours. This video, after this live recording too, will be pulled down after that same 10 hours. So it's just 10 hours today. By tomorrow, you might not see it again. All right. So endeavor to stay to the end because the juicy part is for today. I'm going to show you something very juicy today. All right. So let's get started. So ordinary people have been making money, like I said. Ordinary Nigerians. When I say ordinary Nigerians, those are people that are not tech savvy. You don't have to be a tech genius to create websites. In short, most people that I see that are making waves in the tech industry are not even people that actually read maybe computer science or did anything science related. Doing science related courses might actually help in a way, but does not guarantee success. People that read English are Greek. If you know you read something that is not tech related, I want you to write I am the one you are talking to. Write it in the comment section. Yeah, show your emoji. Rep your course right now. All right. So you might have read even history, Yoruba language, CRK, IRK, whatever course you have read. Probably you are not even in university, you are just in secondary school. I have my students, secondary school students, doing a lot of things with artificial intelligence. I even saw some of them that they did a full Canva clone with artificial intelligence. I saw them last week. I think last week Friday. Yes, we're doing one of our coding and robotics clubs at society. I saw one and I was wowed because AI has made us to be not to just be developers, but also to be what problem solver. So that should answer your questions. For those of you that are saying, you are saying I can make money with web development, but I am not a techie person. I don't know how to code. I don't know how to talk to clients. AI has moved you from being a developer to a problem solver. So is the market crowded? That's another question I got. Some people are looking at it it's like the market is crowded. Since you were saying something to us that there's the opportunity, there's a lot of opportunity, but there are also a lot of because the barrier to entry is low. There is people are already getting into it fast. Look around you. Just look around you. The opportunity of you getting even local businesses. Look around you. How many secondary school do you have on your streets? How many secondary school do you have in the city that you are staying in? Just look at them. I want you to take a jotter today and list the number of secondary schools that you know in your locality, in your local environment. List them one after the other. After listing them, look at it. How many pharmaceutical stores do you have? How many hair salon? I'm not talking about mushroom hair salons that cannot afford website too. I'm talking about hair salons that are a bit big. Now look at realtors. Look at lawyers, law firms. Look at house agents, or what do you call them? House agents. Look at them. Those ones they actually have like offices. They need websites to display all the things they are selling. Like I said, Nigerians are not going online. Look at churches. Most churches now they want websites. Ask many GOs, general overseer now, they will tell you they want website for their church. They need to display it. So just look around, list those businesses, list them down, list them. Catering services, someone offering catering services, someone that makes cake. They want a website where they'll be able to display their cake. Someone that, like I said, even a person that makes Zobo needs a website. People that makes different kind of product and services, they need websites. So just look around you and then look at the percentage that has websites, and then look at the percentage that does not have, that do not have websites yet, or the percentage that has websites but their website is crappy, that is really bad, it's terrible. I'm going to show you an example of one that I saw while preparing for this class. In short, while preparing for the master class, and I will show you the solutions I proffered and how I'm going to market that new solution to the customer. The opportunity is really big. You know, the fact that everyone can do it does not mean everybody will do it. You understand? Opportunity is everywhere. Opportunity is everywhere. The reality is that Nigerian business website is slow, ugly, not mobile friendly. I'm not saying all, but most, and they are poorly written. What you can do as a person is to look at those types of websites and help the business owner rebuild it. Let me give you an example. I'm going to give you an example now. This is a website of a school, Glory School Onitsha. I just found them online. I don't know the owner. But look at this website. It's like I don't even understand what they are doing. I don't understand how how they did this. I'm not sure. So I asked myself a question: did this person actually pay for this website? Yeah, I even tried sending message from their. It takes me to falsely. Look at their own page. Their own page looks like, I don't know. Even if you are going to design this thing on Canva, it should look better than this. Look at it. Their admin login goes nowhere. Because I was thinking maybe it's a content management system. But let's see. I typed login. I pressed login. It's going nowhere. So looking at it, the website is so bad. It's bad. Saying it's so bad is an understatement. So I looked at the website, I looked at their content, their picture. What can I do to it? Then I made this website with their content. Look at it. It's the same picture that they have here. Let me see. I think this is the primary school picture. The same picture of the junior secondary school, the same picture of the crèche, the same pictures that they have here. Then I added this. This is this one here. They are about us. Then this is their vision that they wrote as if I don't know what is happening here. I changed it to this. And then I added the testimonial that will help them. I added an about page and then the gallery section. This is the gallery section. And then I added this contact page that actually sends message to their email. Okay, so let me just say hello and I will show you the delivery in my email. So it will send it to their email. So I intend sending this to them to see if they are interested. If it is something they like, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send them a message. They have their phone numbers here. I'll save these phone numbers on WhatsApp. If it's on WhatsApp, I have hosted it on Netlify. I'll copy the Netlify link. I will send the message to them that, hey, I saw your website online. I can see that you have done a good job doing this website. Please, I reviewed the website for you. Look at it at so place. I won't say anything about pricing. Then I will say, if you're interested, send me a message back. My network is bad today. So my message said, your message has been sent successfully. We will get back to you soon. So let me check the email that I connected to. So this is the email that I connected to it. Let me refresh it. So this is it. This is it. This is my name. This is the email I use in rent. Sending it to them and then send me message, hello. And I can just click here and reply them. And this thing did not take any time. I used is to build this kind of website, you don't need more than 1 hour to do it. I'm really serious. You will see it in action tomorrow. We're going to build just the first page tomorrow. Just the first page. If you want to see the full build plus the contact us, send it to the email, you need to be part of our master class that will start immediately after the let me see. This is not it. I'm trying to look at it. That will start immediately after this class tomorrow. That's on Monday. After the Monday, it should start Wednesday. The class should start on Wednesday. Or let's say we start it on Wednesday or Thursday. Yes, we should start it on Thursday so that we can give people that want to join us time to actually join the class. It's going to be really intensive, it's going to be massive. So it won't take you more than 10 minutes. I said tomorrow we're going to create this first page and then the rest will be created in the master class. Okay. So what was I? Right. So AI will help you to build it. It will build it for you. All you will need to do is to just allow the AI to build it and then you will collect your money. Old school developers to build that kind of website I said is not more than I think 1 or 2 hours you are done with that website. 1 or 2 hours maximum you are done. If you know what you are doing, 1 or 2 hours you should be done with that website. The old school way to do that kind of website with that kind of functionality, it might take 2 to 3 weeks. But with AI, you build it in just what? 1 day. AI now helps you to write. I told you yesterday. I said one very bad thing about most of the clients I will say is that they don't know what they want. What AI does now is it will help you to write the content, not just the content. It will help you to write the code. What you will do is you will edit, and then the client does what? Pay you. Now I used their content. I added a little of a content that was not generated by me. I didn't crack my brain for that. I used AI to generate the content. Those testimonials were AI generated because cracking my brain and generating and writing testimonial for them is a waste of time. I will still ask them to go and get testimonial so that it can be real and true. So that when parents are even looking at it, they know the names of some parents that are in that same school, they can get it. So I don't need to use my brain to crack it, to write it. I'm just giving them a structure. You understand? And then once I do it, I send it to the client. The client looks at it, definitely looking at the way their website was before. It was bad. You understand? It's bad. But now you can make it better. You can make it much, much better. So the client will pay you for it. So you're going to watch me do it tomorrow. So what are the strategies that I need you to do now? I showed you plenty things yesterday. You can't do everything at once. Trying to do everything at once will make you confused. What I want you to do now is find a local business. Spot the problem. Let me still use another one as example. I'm doing this right now live. I will look for let's say law firms in let's say Lagos. I'm not in Lagos, I'm actually in Ilorin. So I'm going to look for the ones that has websites. I'll look for the one that the website is not good. So that you not say, is that school? The website of this one is not bad, but it's not good. Because what is all this? This can be better. So let's leave them. Not bad. Let's look for another one. Like seriously, something must be wrong with my internet. Let me see. Let me assume my internet is the problem because this should not be a website. Let me look for another browser. This is not a website. I think my assumption is correct. It should be it should be my internet. Ah. The fact that it's even loading too slowly. And look at it. What does it tell you about this particular law firm? Look at it. Okay, it's fine. But look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Can you see anything here? Looking at this now. This is a sign of bad design. It loaded too poorly, too slowly, and look at it. These are the things that you should point out to them. That these write-ups that are on top of this image makes it very difficult to read. Look at them. So there's a lot of room for improvement. Look at what is this one? So that one was actually my internet. It was not. It must not be. That must not be a website. But still, looking at this website, does this make sense? These are rooms for improvement. Do I need to do this to be able to read it? I like it to read it because even if I'm wearing glasses, I can't read this. So that's an example of a law firm in Nigeria. So let's look for another one. Let's look for Salon in Abuja. There are so many without websites, but look at the one with website. Look at this one. This one is using Google Sites. This is not a website. So you said there are a lot of local businesses that you can actually pitch your business to. So now let's look for the one in Ilorin. So see this one. This one has website. Some does not have website. Let's see the one that has website. So look at this one. This one is using Linktree. They're using Linktree. It shows that they will be interested in websites. So another thing is, if you need to look at the customer before charging them. What do you think they can afford? You understand? Look at the ones that. So you should know what you want to offer and what can they afford. So all you need to do is to come to Google Map. Let me see more businesses. This one is these are businesses within my area. Look at it. Look at this website. Does this look like a website? Although it's Google site, it's not a website. If I rebuild this one now, I can take it to them. I will check them out, before doing it. I'll check. What you do is that you have to do your assignment very well. Check them out. Be sure if there are people that can actually afford to pay at least 100,000, the minimum for a starting for you that you are starting. So let me say you get. Look at this one. This one even did it and put it on Netlify. Barbing is what we do. What is this? Baba Lagos. It's on Netlify. Supposed to be a good website, but see, see, it's just a picture. It's not doing anything. So you see, there's a lot of opportunities for you to do. So what I want you to do right now is write the name of a business that you think you can actually pitch website design to. Write it in the comment section. Write it now. I can pitch to so business and I know I will sell. Write it now. Write it. Write it. Write it now. If I look at the comment section, I might change my mind from Glory School and build the website that the ones that has the highest like. The ones that has the highest like, I will change my. But if I don't have see anyone that has a very good like, I'll just build the first page of that Glory site tomorrow. I'm going to build it live in your presence. And I'm even going to put timer to ensure that I don't use more than 10 minutes to build it. For that, I'm going to Gemini. To make it fun. So let's start the building from today. Okay, so I'm going to tell Gemini, I'm going to choose Canvas and I'll say, help build a countdown timer that can be set. So let's go. So I'm giving Gemini the opportunity to help us with the countdown timer that we're going to use tomorrow for. So like I told you yesterday, I said sometimes it's not even building for clients, but solving your own problems. It's with Gemini. So now Gemini has done it for me. I have less than 7 minutes in this class. So let's do 7 minutes. And then I start my timer. So you see, the timer is working. So this is the timer we're going to use tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to set a 10 minutes timer and we're going to build a full website tomorrow with AI. See, this timer is something that somebody is already making money with. I saw a couple. I think I'll look for their video and I will attach the video. I will send the video to the group chat so that you can see it. As they count that timer, they turn the count that timer to a SaaS software as a service, and they've made a lot of thousands of dollars with count that timer. This is one thing I did within how many minutes? Was it even up to is it up to 5 minutes? No, it's not up to 5 minutes at all. So I want you to take this assignment home now. What business will I be building website for this weekend? Before, give yourself 1 month before the ending of March. February is finishing. What business will I build website for? I want to make an extra 500,000 naira. Or maybe extra 1 million, maybe extra 300,000, maybe extra 150. If you want to make extra 150, that means one client should be enough. If you're making extra 300,000, maybe two clients might be enough. We are making extra 500 or 1 million. You now charge per client and the number of clients you want. Then you tell yourself, I want to make so amount. Once I make it, how much? How many clients do I want? Then write it down. Tomorrow, I want to see the names of those clients, the type, the niche. You see, for catering services, this is the name of the catering service that you want to do it for. Write them down. And some people will say, I don't want to do for catering service, so I want to just become a freelancer. I think some people told us they want to become freelancers. Write it down. Excuse me. So I still have 4 more minutes. So So it has alarm. Okay, so let me see. Say the feature, the time selection, visual feedback, task control for start, stop, resume, a clean audio notification using the web audio API, responsive UI. That means I can also deploy this one and send it to you. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Oh, still thinking about it. I might deploy this and send it to you on the group so that you can see it and use it for yourself. All right. So the next thing we're going to do, let's see where we stopped in our. So once I hear the alarm, I'm done. So what are the pricing structures that you should do? Once you get the client, collect 70% upfront, then 30% on delivery. Let's say the website that I did now, and then let's say the school likes it. What I would do, so what I would do is collect 70% upfront. Then once I attach that domain to it, I'm going to collect my remaining 30%. And I deliver the product. I collect my 30 remaining 30%. That way they are confident. They've seen what I can do, they've seen what I want to do. And then they send me 70% upfront. I buy their domain, I buy their hosting, and then I collect the remaining 30% on after delivery. So this is the website. Basic website. You just do email templates, you do one iteration. You can do for business 350,000. You can do premium. You can do pricing like this. You can do your real pricing models that looks like this. The power of one. Close one client first. So think about that client that you want to close. Just one client. And then the lessons you learn. If you go to one client, the first client might not answer you. But you can't tell me you went to 10 clients and none will answer you. If 10 did not answer you, look for another 10, making it 20. Just ensure that before the end of March, give yourself from now till March, you must have closed one client. So tomorrow, like I've said, we have already built our timer that we're going to use. I'm going to use that calendar timer and I'm going to build a professional website. Just the way I built that calendar timer in few seconds with AI. I'm going to build a professional website. You know, by the way, you can actually use your phone to build the professional that calendar timer that I did. So I would love somebody to try it. Another assignment I want you to do is build a simple calculator with AI using your mobile phone and then send the link to us. Let me show you how you send the link to us. Just Gemini. So once you use Gemini, see we have 1 minute more. Just click on share like this. So I'm going to share this link with you in the group. I'll share this link with you in the groups. Yes, so just click on share, and then once you click on share, you can all look at what I did. So let me show you what I did in another browser. So my time is going, my time is going, my time is going, my time is going. I want to hear the alarm. I want to hear it ring. So let's go back and see what we have. So 0765 2. So can you hear it? Made that sound. Bam. As soon as my time was off, I had a bam. So I can still tell the Gemini that I want that bound is too short. I want it to be doing bound until I tell it stop. So you can do as much as you want. All right. So that is going to be the end of today's meeting. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, 7 o'clock. Don't forget tomorrow is going to be the bomb. It's going to be the best of the best. Eh? 7 o'clock tomorrow, and latest by 8, we are done.